In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shopping cart to Canva website. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, head over to the Canva website. If you're not already familiar with Canva, it's a versatile visual suite that's widely used for creating stunning graphics, websites, and more. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to log into your Canva account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but we'll assume you're already set up and good to go. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage. Here you'll see various options and templates, but for our purposes today, we're going to focus on the project section. So click on projects, which is located on your menu. This will take you to the area where you have all your designs. It's essential to have your project already created, otherwise you may want to take some time to set that up before proceeding. Once you're in the project section, select the specific project you wish to add a shopping cart to. This might be a website design you're working on, and having this selected will prepare you for the added enhancements we're about to make. Next, you want to head over to the Elements tab. The Elements button is typically found on the left-hand sidebar of Canva, and it contains a treasure trove of icons, shapes, lines, and other graphic elements. In the Elements search bar, type in shopping cart. Canva will populate a variety of shopping cart icons and graphics that you can use. You want to select an element that best fits with the overall theme and aesthetic of your design. Once you find one you like, go ahead and click on it. This will add the shopping cart icon directly to your project. You can then move and resize it to fit perfectly within your design layout. Remember, the shopping cart icon is a visual element and doesn't inherently add e-commerce functionality by itself. It's there to enhance the visual appeal and layout, which helps in guiding viewers towards actionable items on your site, like where to go when they've selected products to buy. To enable full e-commerce functionality, you might need additional integrations specific to your platform. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a shopping cart to your website design in Canva. By doing so, you're enhancing the shopping experience for your users, making them more likely to enjoy the visual layout and site navigation. Thanks for sticking with me throughout this guide, and be sure to watch more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on maximizing your efforts in Canva.